Hello guys, welcome to another video, and today's video will be a little different because I really wanted to do this format for a long time now. So here's the deal. There will be a speed pen video going on, and I'll be talking about certain topics every day. In every video. So now for a couple of weeks, the Attack on Titan community got really fired up about character design and animation, what Studio Mappa is doing. So basically what they're saying is Mappa has ruined the animation quality. The complaint about Mappa was going on for quite a long time, but it suddenly amplified when the episode 6 of season 4 was aired. So Mikasa on that episode looked very different than what she used to look like. So fanboys and fangirls just suddenly emerged like army of zombies and started storming the social media, trashing Studio Mappa and their employees. And eventually where it goes, like, yeah, the death threats, classic. They gave death threats to the employees just because their waifu didn't look so good. I mean, how ridiculous is that? Also, people who are against this, defending the Studio Mappa, are also storming their opinions on social media. They're trying to show how empathetic they are towards Studio Mappa, and animation is very hard to do, and we should appreciate what we're getting and effort because they are really getting rough, which is true. But let's talk about the issue here. Do I agree with either side? Like, do I agree with the people who are saying Mappa ruined the animation and stuff? Do I agree with people who are saying that we should appreciate anything we get from any studio because they are working hard? The answer is no. I don't agree with either of them. Firstly, I don't think Mappa is doing a bad job animating Attack on Titan. I mean, it's pretty good. I won't act like a maniac because my so-called waifu didn't look good in a one freaking episode. I mean, it's just crazy, like how you do one mistake, which is not even a mistake, and people just forget what you are. Studio Mappa has given us animes like Yuri on Ice, Jujutsu Kaisen, God of High School, Banana Fish, Zankyou no Terror, Dororo, Kakegurui, and people just discarded everything because their waifu didn't look good in a one damn episode. How crazy is that? See, Attack on Titan is not kawaii rom-com. It's a genuine war type anime in which character development and their representation plays a huge role. I mean, Mikasa is not a millionaire housewife who will look pretty all the time with pretty dresses. These guys, I mean, the people from Eldia, are at freaking war for years. They are physically and mentally tormented. They are worn out. Mikasa doesn't carry around a makeup box in a war zone to look cute for Eren or us. They will look like shit. Get the correct idea inside of your heads. However, I don't agree that we should not ever complain about what we are getting, because if we don't ever criticize what we are having, they will not improve. It's very important to criticize them about their work, but in a very kind way, in proper way, not like sending death threats. And on the other hand, Attack on Titan is one of the best and one of the popular animes out there, the animes which really represent the anime world. So it's a huge responsibility that Studio Mappa has taken. Attack on Titan has one of the biggest fan base in the whole world. They really have taken a big responsibility, and they should be extra careful not to let us down. But at the end of the day, they are only humans who work really hard to provide us thing we want. There will be mistake. This is bound to happen, but by all means, criticizing for betterment, we always should appreciate their hard work and effort. Well, that being said, we all love Attack on Titan, and big thank you to Mappa for providing us amazing content every week. and we will look forward to the next episode. Thank you for watching this video, and please go check out my art galleries on Instagram, DeviantArt, Facebook, Twitter. All links are in the description. And of course, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys in the next video. Till then, keep drawing, keep smiling. Peace.